3.5 Sharing virtuous deeds with the deceased relatives or friends. Januswani Sutta Anguttara Nikaya 10. Comments by Venerable Pallegama Samhita Mahathero.
තෙරුවන් සරණයි.
This is the last part of this Januswani Sutta. In the previous part, 3.4, we stopped at the point where Buddha replied to Januswani's question whether the Punya Karma by giving alms to Shramana and Brahmana on behalf of the deceased will go to waste if there is no relatives or friends born in the only place, Pretaloka, where such Punya Karma can be received. Buddha said, even in such case, the donor, despite being born as an elephant because he committed 10 evils, akusal, will be rewarded by receiving fruits of all Punya Karma what he did, donation of food, drinks, clothes, etc. to Shramana and Brahmana. Ida pana Brahmana ekacho panatpati hoti, peyana, michaditiko hoti. So data hoti, samanasava, brahmanasava, annang, panang, vattang, yanang, mala gandha vilepanang, sayya vastupadipeya. So kaya subeda parammarana, marana, assanang sahabetang upajjati, peyanam. Gunnang sahabetang upajjati, peyanam. Kukuranang sahabetang upajjati. So tatta labhi hoti, annas, panas, mala, nanarankaras. Furthermore, it happens that a certain person takes another's life, parapana, has wrong views, michaditi. Peyalam means all other 8 evil things, akusala. But he gives food, drinks, etc., dwellings and lambs to monks and Brahmans. After the dissolution of the body, after death, he is born among horses, among bulls and cows, among dogs. There he receives food, drink, flowers, and various ornaments. Yanko Brahmana ida panatipati hoti, peyalam, michaditiko hoti. Tenaso kayasabeda parammarana, assanang sahabetang upajjati, peyalam, gunnang, peyalam, kukurang, upajjati. Yanchako, so data hoti, samanasava, brahmanasava, annang, panang, vattang, yanang, mala gandha vilepanang, sayya vastupadipeya. Tenaso tat labhi hoti, annas, panas, mala nalalankaras. Because he took another's life, peyalama, he did all 10 evils, akusala, up to having wrong view of the world. He was born among such animals. But because he gave food, drinks, dwellings, etc., lambs to Shramana and Brahmans, he received food, drink, flowers, and various ornaments. Meaning of the word Peyalama is indicated in brackets. Yanchako so data hoti, samanasava, brahmanasava, annang, panang, vattang, yanang, mala gandha vilepanang, sayya vastupadipeya. Horses too are not wild horses in the forest. Cows are the same. In India, cows and bulls are treated specially. If you gave alms to Shramana and Brahmana, you should have been born in India. After all, cows are even worshipped in India. India is such a country, so wonderful. The last mentioned here is a dog. If we are talking about dogs, it is hard to believe, honestly. Aren't there any dogs in the world who live better than us? Some live in air-conditioned houses. They travel with air conditioning. Now they have good imported canned food. They have their own hospitals. They have beds. They have people who work for them. It is amazing that there are dedicated doctors for the dogs and such animals. How many such dogs are there in the world? But even if a dog gets super conditions, tasty food, according to dogs' terms, drinks, etc., it is a dog life anyway. You can't avoid becoming a dog because of donation. Ida pana brahmana ekacho panatipata pativirto hoti, adinadana pativirto hoti, kamasvichachara pativirto hoti, musavada pativirto hoti, pisunaya vachaya pativirto hoti, parsaya vachaya pativirto hoti, sampapalaba pativirto hoti, abhijjalu hoti, abhyapanna chitta hoti, sammaditiko hoti, sodata hoti, samanasva, brahmanasva, annang, panang, vattang, yanang, mala gandha vilepanang, sayya vastupadipeya. So kayasabeda parammarana, manussanang sahabetang upajjati. So tatta labhi hoti, manusakanang, pannang, kamagunang. Furthermore, there is a situation where a person does not take another's life, does not take what is not given, does not engage in illicit sexual behavior, does not lie, does not engage in divisive speech that may make enmity between people, does not use harsh words, to hurt people and does not engage in idle talk. He is not greedy for some other's property. He does not harbor ill will for lifelong, very long time ill will he doesn't have, and has right views about the world. And he gives food, drink, clothing, vehicles, garlands, perfumes, and creams, beds, dwellings, and lamps to Shramana and Brahman. After the dissolution of the body, after death, he is born in the human world. There he enjoys the 5 karma senses. That means the pleasure senses of human pleasure. Yanku Brahmana ida panatpata patvirato hot peyalam sammaditiko hot. Teneso kayasabeda paramarana manussanang sahabhyatang pupajjit. Yanchako so data hoti samanasava brahmanasava annang panang vattang yanang mala gandha vilepanang seya padipeya. Teneso tatte labhi hoti manussakana panchanna kamaguna. Because he did not take another's life, he didn't take things ungiven, he didn't take illicit, he did illicit sex, he didn't lie, engage in divisive speech, he didn't use harsh words to hurt, or didn't talk idle talk. He was not greedy for others' property, he did not harbor ill will and always had right views. He was born in the human world. And because he provided food, drink, clothing, vehicles, garlands, perfumes, and creams, beds, dwellings, and lamps to priests and to the monks and ascetics, he enjoys the 5 karma pleasures in human pleasure life. Well abstain from the 10 evils they donate. This is what we all have to do, to think about. Acting, living double life won't do. Look, he gets the benefit for abstaining from evils. What do you get after that? You must think. People are capable of acquiring the 5 sensual pleasures thanks to morality. Anyone born human as human could return to the human world again by having a morality. Sometimes, not sometimes, many times, we take it easily and say that let you be born next life among us. To get a human world, to get a birth in the human world is not that easy, as you see in this example of this Buddha's explanation. There is a certain way of living with discipline and right thinking that enables a birth as human being. Ida pana brahmana ekacho panatpata patvirato hot peyala sammaditiko hot. So te data hot samanasava brahmanasava annang panang vattang yanang mala gandha vilepanang sayyavastapadi peyi. So kaya sabeda paramarana devanang sahabhyatang upavajjit. So that the labhi hot jibbana panchanna kamagunana. Furthermore, it happens that a certain person does not take another's life, like previous case, has correct views, abstain from all 10 akusala, and he gives food, drinks, shelter, and lamps to monks and Brahmins. After the dissolution of the body, after death, he is born in the world of the Devas. There he enjoys the 5 karma of heavenly sensual blesses. Yanku Brahmana, ide panatpata patvirato hot peyalam, sammadittiku hot, tereso kayasa veda paramarana, devanang sahabhyatang pupajjit, yanchako, sudata hot, samanasava, brahmanasava, annang, panang, vattang, yanang, malagandha vilepanang, sayyavastapadipeya. Teneso tatte labhi hot, jibbana panchanna kamagunana. Because he did not take another's life, had right views, he was born in the world of Devas. And because he gave food, dwellings, and lamps to monks and ascetics, he therefore enjoyed the 5 senses of heavenly pleasures. Apiche brahmana dayakopi aniphaloti. This is a good example of how giving is not in vain. Even a bad person who commits all 10 negative karma benefits from giving. That is, even if a sinner makes a gift, if there is no recipient, he can be born as an elephant or a horse, cow or dog and be able to enjoy these gifts. For a person who observes moral rules, it goes without saying that he gets all the pleasure from the gift of being born as a human or a deity. If there is no recipient of the merits for which he was given, this is why it is so beneficial to give dana for the sake of transferring punya karma to dead relatives or friends. So beneficial that even when there is no one to receive the punya karma, the donor will not be left without a reward. The Brahmin was so pleasantly surprised by the Buddha's detailed explanation that he showed his admiration as follows. Acharyang Bhogotama, Abhutang Bhogotama, Yavachidang Bhogotama, Alameva Dhanani Datum, Alang Saddhani Katum, Yatrahi Nama Dayakopi Aniphaloti. It is amazing, Your Holiness Bhogotama, It is astonishing how beneficial giving dana, offering, how worthy to have trust, shraddha, because the giver will receive a reward anyway. Evametang Brahmana, Dayakopi, he Brahmana Anipaloti. Exactly so, Brahmin, exactly so. The giver will receive a reward anyway, said Buddha. Abhikkhantam Bhogotama, Sayatapi Bhogotama, Nikuchitang va Ukujjayi, Patichannang va Vivarayi, Mulhasava Maggang Achikayi, Andakare va Telapajotang Darayi, Takumanto Rupani Dassant. Excellent, Your Highness, Your Holiness Bhogotama. An unprecedented discovery for me, Vinod Gautama. Just as you have put back what was upside down, revealed what was hidden, shown the way to someone who was lost, brought a lamp into the darkness so that he can see what is painted. So too has the Blessed One classified the Dhamma in various ways. Upasakang Bhavang Gautamo Daretu Ajatagge Panupetang Saranang Gatan. Your Holiness Gautama, please kindly allow me to be one of your followers, Upasaka, lay followers, from this day till the end of my life. This is another great sutta where you see how a follower of another teaching had become a follower of the Buddhist Upasaka. There is no other way to become a Buddhist, such as by birth, by donations, by meditation, by university degree, or by repeating Panchasila, five principles with Tisarana, 3 refugees publicly in front of a monk. Teruvan Saranai. Be happy. Be truthful.